In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could do the Easter egg here in Ashwood in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is the brand new survival map that released for Season 3. Obviously, it is a smaller version of the big map that we've already gotten. However, there is a pretty cool Easter egg in here that is worth doing whenever you're playing this game, just because it can get you some pretty good rewards like a free ray gun, a free ray gun Mark II, and more. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and if we could help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. So you're going to spawn over in this location over here, just like so. Essentially what you need to do is just make your way up to the very top, and you're going to see a little zip line in this location. Go ahead and make your way over to this zip line, and then of course go ahead and zip line over. Now if you do fall, you will take fall damage, so just keep that in mind. And essentially once you're in this side of the map, and just ignore the fact that there's some zombies spawning in. Oh my god, that was horrible aim. You need to essentially just make your way through. You're going to have to buy a door over by where this armor is. And once, of course, you're in this location by Vulture Aid, you need to walk up to this little trash can right here. Now, this is Chompy right here. You can even mark him just like so. And essentially what you need to do is melee Chompy. And then, of course, either feed him a weapon, feed him some grenades, and he's going to spit out some salvage. And you can do this multiple times per round. Sometimes on like the little not dog rounds, I honestly forgot what they're called since I haven't played this game in a minute. He will not work, but essentially if you just go up to him, melee him, he'll open up, and then of course you're going to want to feed him as much stuff as possible, and he'll spit out a bunch of stuff. Now eventually he's going to give you some pretty good rewards. Sometimes he'll give you just some standard guns, sometimes he'll give you a ray gun or a ray gun Mark II. Essentially we want to keep doing this until he gives you those better rewards. But yeah, the process really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.